If you are looking for a Callback24 lifetime deal or a Callback24 review, you came to the right place on lifetime deal updates. Boost lead generation and increase sales with a customizable click-to-call widget. Getting inbound calls from customers shouldn't feel like a TBT to waiting for your crush to call your Motorola Razr. The truth is that it can be frustrating and time-consuming for customers to give you a call, even when they're big fans of your business. If only there was a click-to-call widget that made the call process a breeze, so you could streamline lead generation with one-click calls and keep tabs on employee performance. Say hello to Callback24. What is Callback24? Callback24 helps you convert site visitors to callers and track employee performance, letting you generate more leads in record time. With Callback24, you'll get everything you need to improve lead response time, track employee performance, and optimize digital marketing campaigns. Enable this customizable widget on your website to collect contact information and convert visitors to callers in one click, making it super simple for customers to get in touch with you. You'll also be able to take advantage of different call-to-action mechanisms like dynamic pop-up windows to move customers down the sales funnel. Say goodbye to manually contacting leads. Callback24 integrates with Facebook lead ads, so you can collect contact information and automatically call leads back within 15 seconds. That means you'll be able to receive instant alerts for every lead and follow up with them in just one click. And in addition to saving tons of time on busy work, you can also analyze your campaigns and optimize budgets. Callback24 also has a phone tracker that lets you keep tabs on employee performance, so you can see who's driving the most sales and who needs more support. Plus, you can share your contact information with your CRM using Zapier or native integrations like HubSpot, ensuring that your records are literally on the same page. Best of all, you can analyze calls, verify their duration, and even tag calls by the campaign to learn which ones are the most effective. Thanks to the Google Analytics integration, you can identify the ad campaigns driving leads so you know exactly where to spend your marketing budget. Evaluate the call history from different advertising channels and then compare the impact of each traffic source. And because this tool helps you understand the buyer's journey and track all your campaigns, you'll be able to boost your conversion rate without breaking a sweat. Increase your sales calls with the Callback24 mobile application. Increasing your sales. Your clients receive a phone call within 15 seconds and an option to schedule a call outside of your business hours. Professional lead database. Widgets, pop-ups, and exit pop-ups will effectively encourage customers using your website, online store to leave a phone number and contact a company employee. Increase customer experience. You will access call history data from across your company. By recording and analyzing calls, you will increase the quality of customer service. Get more calls from the website. Answer up to 30% more calls with effective call-to-action mechanisms. Insert a small handset widget and let visitors contact you. Add a pop-up to encourage people to leave their phone numbers. Surprise potential clients leaving your site with attractive discounts by using an exit pop-up. Analyze the effectiveness of your calls. Listen to recorded calls and compare their duration and employee effectiveness. Study the use of tags. Check which calls succeeded and train other employees on this basis. Look into the effectiveness of your marketing. Study which marketing channels bring you the most calls. Discover which campaigns are the most effective and redirect your budget there. Modify campaigns, exclude ineffective keywords, and optimize campaigns based on call tracking. Automate your sales processes. Gather all customer data in one place. Revolutionize your sales and significantly reduce customer service response time. Use the acquired data in marketing campaigns and continuously measure their effectiveness. We integrate with SaaS Manego, Innova 365, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. How does Callback24? Abandoned carts represent a lost opportunity for the company. Continuing to have abandoned carts will eventually lead to decreased sales and an overall decrease in order value. By contacting customers with Callback24, the client can easily speak to the representative and receive the pertinent data immediately. This will help the client to make better decisions and reduce the number of abandoned carts. You don't want to risk losing interested prospects just because your contact service system is stuck in the past. Luckily, Callback24 makes it a breeze to improve lead response time and provide a seamless customer experience so you can drive more conversions. Get lifetime access to Callback24 today. One-time purchase of $69.